Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In some latest developments, the High Court of Zimbabwe has ordered the seizure of property belonging to former Triple C legislator Fadzai Mahere to recover $33,395 United States dollars in a legal course owed to Tinoda Matakaire, according to a court order issued on 7 March 2026. The legal battle stems from a series of social media posts made by Mahere in July 2025, in which she publicly questioned Youth Minister Tinoda Matakaire about his alleged involvement in an $8 million United States dollars tax evasion case and the source of his wealth. Matakaire's legal team subsequently demanded a retraction and apology, arguing that the posts, which concluded with the statement "We need new leaders," implied he was corrupt and dishonest. Fadzai Mahere defended the actions as constitutionally protected free speech and the right to hold public officials accountable, while also launching a counter lawsuit against Matakaire over what she described as malicious and defamatory personal attacks against her on social media. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.